The 1932 Khatiyam of Jharkhand keeps a record of the owners of the lands and their rights. These fields are important for those people who are connected to the land, like farmers and landowners. This includes detailed description of the land, name of the owner, and his rights. This Khatiyam provides knowledge of land duties and related laws. If you require more detailed information, you can contact the local government or land-related official. Jharkhand was made in 2002 for Jharkhandis, then some outside powers and politicians through their drama and connivance. However, the politicians did all this very cleverly in the entire Jharkhand. Tell me, most of the Jharkhandis live in Jharkhand. If Jharkhand was made for the tribals, then if they are tribals, they will remain tribals. So, in education, in mind also, one looks like a tribal and his lifestyle is tribal. The meaning of tribal is tribal itself. If he starts living like a city dweller, then what does tribal mean? And taking advantage of all this in the city, slowly if they raise their voice in the areas they have occupied. You do not have to do it in your own language but in Hindi or English. And to save all this, someone from outside the state has to guide us and make us understand in other languages. How much help would they give to the state? On the contrary, they take the money and make the Jharkhandis slaves. The poor Jharkhandis have saved their dignity, their language or their culture. To answer the city people, they convert their language into Hindi and also become modern. They become like this in the city. They believe that I should be allowed to live in the language in which I live, but right now the times are very golden and moving ahead. If we talk about tribals, then English-speaking tribals can be found in other countries, i.e. Uganda, Africa, South America, Brazil, China, South North Korea. They are powerful and live in the English model. They go to all the modern people of India and capture them. I would like to tell you that there are a lot of income generating employment and a lot of money in the economic sector in Jharkhand, which many states of India have their eyes on, such as coal, steel, iron and a lot of farms, barns, fruits, vegetables, and the tribals, naive, open their work knowledge in their season. But they get more benefits. Firstly, they can get slaves, and secondly, they can create another place. They will not be able to go to them and occupy it. Let me tell you that Jharkhand has a lot of income, employment and a lot of money in the economic sector, which many states of India have their eyes on, such as coal, steel, iron and many farms, barns, fruits, vegetables and tribals. In their open season, they get more benefit on their work and knowledge. One can even get a slave in at one place. A maid sir can become a billionaire and millionaire while sitting from the economic sector, and it became so. This was some right effect news of the 1932 of Jharkhand.